guys, good morning and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this is Lifestyle with Honey. Yeah, so today is Sunday. Happy Sunday everyone. So today I'm not like kind of going to church because I wake up with crumbs. Wait a minute. After waking up, I was feeling so down and very irritated at the same time, so I decided not to go to church today. Yeah, I am not going to church today. So we are basically making lunch by this morning. In the morning I want to make lunch, so let me show you what I'm up to. Yeah, happy Sunday everyone. This is my Sunday vlog, guys. This is rat poison because rat enter our kitchen, so and they are much trying. Okay, cooking beans, but I'm not really like cooking it. Rice is on the fire, water for the other rice. No, this is the same one. I'm going to like pour it here later so that I can bring my stew out. So I'm not trying to wash all these places.
Call me Henny Lifestyle, say it with your chest. Cooking in the kitchen, culinary alchemist. My family first and my friends come next. Got so much love, yeah, I do it for the set. And I put that on the wall. One day I'll make the world proud. Woman of power, beauty and talent, that's what my name's all about. And I put that on the wall. One day I'll make the world proud. Woman of power, beauty and talent, that's what my name's all about. My family first and my friends come next. Got so much love, yeah, I do it for the set. I cook in the kitchen, culinary alchemist. You can call me Henny Lifestyle, say it with your chest. And I put that on the wall. One day I'll make the world proud. Woman of power, beauty and talent, that's what my name's all about. One day I'll make the world proud. Woman of power, beauty and talent, that's what my name's all about. If you don't understand it now, maybe in a little while.
Hi guys, so I just finished eating. I feel like throwing up and just say let me just lie down for a while. Let me see. So guys, you guys, there's so many church around our house. We have Sele, we have Redeem, we have Sele down, Redeem ones. Guys, I've been down since like I'll be totally down. My stomach has been paining me and I'll be totally down, guys. I'll be down. As I'm always talking to you, I am having stomach pain and I am not like alright. So I just finished waking up and I feel like let me go back to bed. I don't know, but let me not lie to you, I'm not feeling well. But hopefully before evening I think I should be fine. Yeah.